50, that is minus 2. Minus 50 by 50, minus 1. 50 by 50 is 0 by 50 0. 50 by 50 1. 100 by 50 2. Next UI. FI UI. So 12 into minus 2 minus 24, 14 minus 1 minus 14, 8 0 ja 0, 6 1 ja 6, 10 2 ja 20. Summation FI UI equal to total of these numbers is minus 12 and summation Fi equal to 50. A plus summation FI UI by summation Fi into H. So substitute the values. A equal to 325 plus summation FI UI equal to minus 12 by summation Fi equal to 50 into 50. So 50 50 get cancelled. 325 minus 12 equal to 313 rupees.